start digging this. I am tired.
1, 2, 3.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here and you don't know me, I'm Abby and welcome to Agutaynen Vlog. In today's video, I will be showing you one of the plants that we Palaweños specifically, it's not just Agutaynen, it doesn't matter if you're Agutaynen, you're Kuyanin, you're Tagbanwa, you're Palawan, it doesn't matter what indigenous tribe did you come from. I'm gonna be showing you one of our best herbal medicine in Palawan. And the good thing is we can only find it here. Basically, our house is just right over there, and I'm just at the back of our house beside this. This is a lush. It's not very lush. It's not very foresty anymore. It's just a patch of forest at the back of our house. So we are gonna look for that specific plant that we can use to cure, guess what? Cold. Okay guys, before you start your search, make sure that you have with you a bola. It's my favorite bola. So make sure to bring this with you. And put some mosquito repellent or some insect repellent if you're not used to mosquitoes. I don't know why I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this right now. But yeah. Okay guys, let's go searching. Wait, I'm not actually gonna search. I actually found a tree there before. I'm just gonna show it to you. I'm gonna bring you there. Okay, here we are guys. Okay guys, this is the plant that we are looking for right here. So when you hear it, when you smell it, it smells a bit like avocado, but it's not avocado. Sometimes it would also like have a flower, a red flower. It's really gorgeous. They don't have flowers right now. So this is one of the most used herbal medicine in Palawan. In Agutaynen, we call it ulagak. Basically, this is good for cough, cold, and anything that is lung problem or lung disease. Sometimes people would actually tell a joke about it, like they said that it can actually cure COVID. Well, we still don't know that. I don't know what they are called in other natives in Palawan, but in us in Agutaynen, this is called ulagak. And since I'm having a cold and I'm also having a cough, then I might help myself out digging the roots of it. And I'm also gonna drink it. Alright guys, let's start digging. Like if you can see, it's already like worn out. People have been like going here and just digging roots every time that they feel unwell. Here in Palawan, we have like the lason thingy. You know, it's like you get sick, you get cough, and you get colds because of voodoo. I don't know. It seems silly in other country, but here it's still believed in. And the voodoo is not actually like they're gonna have a doll and then they're gonna poke you. No, it's just simply they're gonna just stab you, and then you will get sick, you get cough, and you get cold. You have to check your hands, and if you have you have to check your fingers, and if it has like a dark line on near your fingers roots, then it could possibly be that. You know, it's also like a sign of lung disease. Oh gosh, I'm like digging. Maybe we should just continue digging and little bit talking. Maybe I'll just take this small roots. Or maybe we should cover this up and for another 3. So guys, I've been digging for like a couple of minutes there and I didn't find any roots. Maybe they're like too deep to be actually digged in. So we have to look for another one. Maybe we can still find around here. Oh, we found one, guys. We found one. Yay! I just don't know where. It's the roots. So here you go, guys. We finally found one right here. Yay! Look, we found one. Okay, guys, we finally found one that hasn't been digged on, and it took like a long walk to be able to find it. Oh, shout out to the one who owns this property. You guys have a herbal medicine that is very useful. So let's start digging, guys. Let's go and start digging this. I am tired. So here's the tree. Ooh. Okay. Okay, guys, and we found one, and I just pulled some roots in. We're gonna prepare it later. You can also like just wash this and chew this little roots right here. And if you don't want to do that because you don't like the taste, you can just boil it and then drink the water. You should drink it like twice a day, I think. And what's fun when walking in the forest is you might strike lucky and you might find something edible, like this one. Look, I found a passion fruit. This passion fruit. And there's also another passion fruit right here. And there's plenty. I hope that I shared enough information about our herbal medicine, and I hope it will help you. If you have that available in your place, you should like check it out. I'm gonna put some photos in this video for reference later. And if you have that in your place and you call it like different way, you could comment that right here so I will know for sure. It's good to know. It's actually good to know the names of those herbal medicine. I'm a huge fan of herbal medicine, if you don't know. Well, you probably like don't care, but yeah, I'm a huge fan of herbal medicine. I prefer that compared to the one that you can pharmaceutical ones. Okay, guys, so if you like this video and you learned something from this video, give me a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell down below. I think it's below. Click the notification bell down below. You should share this video so a lot of people would know this and they won't have that, and that would help them too. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!